If you've just gotten your driver's license, congratulations. But let's be honest, the real learning begins after that plastic card hits your wallet. Because out there on the road, mistakes don't just cost you points. They cost you money, safety, and sometimes even your car. Most new drivers think driving is just about pressing pedals and turning the wheel, but the truth is, it's an art of awareness, control, and prevention that takes years to master. What if I told you there are a few simple driving habits that can instantly make you drive smarter than 90% of people on the road? Protect your car from wear, keep you out of accidents, and save you hundreds of dollars in fuel and repairs every year. Today I'm revealing 10 powerful driving tips every new driver must know. Secrets that veteran mechanics, police officers, and driving instructors wish more people followed. These are the kind of tips that separate safe drivers from reckless ones, and reliable cars from the ones that end up in the scrapyard before 100,000 miles. So, buckle up, because tip number 10 is the one no one ever teaches you in driving school, but it can literally save your life. Number 1. Always look farther ahead. Not just at the car in front. Most new drivers focus only on the car directly ahead, a rookie mistake that limits reaction time. Instead, learn to scan at least 10 to 15 seconds down the road. That means watching traffic flow, brake lights several cars ahead, and even pedestrian movement on sidewalks. Doing this helps you anticipate slowdowns, hazards, and lane changes before they happen. Professional drivers and racers call this situational foresight. It's how they stay smooth, efficient, and calm behind the wheel. Once you train your eyes to look farther, you'll find driving feels less stressful and your reactions much sharper. You'll brake less abruptly, drive smoother, and even save fuel. Number 2, use your mirrors like a pro. Your mirrors aren't there to check your hair. They're your eyes of survival. Adjust them properly so that you can barely see the side of your car in the edge of each mirror. This eliminates blind spots and widens your field of vision. Check them every 5 to 8 seconds, especially when changing lanes or slowing down. Many accidents happen simply because drivers fail to see a car in their blind spot. Make mirror scanning a habit, not an afterthought. Remember, the best drivers know what's happening behind them just as much as what's ahead. It's what keeps you in control. Number 3, don't rest your foot on the brake or gas. A common beginner's habit, keeping your foot slightly pressed on the brake or resting it on the gas pedal. It might feel natural, but it's slowly destroying your brake pads and fuel economy. Continuous light braking wears out your rotors and confuses drivers behind you with unnecessary brake light flashes. Likewise, feathering the gas when not needed burns extra fuel. Instead, use your right foot only when necessary and keep it flat on the floor when coasting. Driving should be smooth, not jerky, and mastering throttle discipline is what separates rookies from confident drivers. Number 4, never slam your steering wheel back. After turning, many beginners turn into a curve and then let go of the steering wheel, allowing it to spin back on its own. Bad idea. This can cause uneven tire wear, stress your steering components, and even throw you off balance during slippery conditions. Always guide the wheel back gently using your hands. Smooth steering input not only feels professional, but also keeps your suspension and tires in better shape for years. Watch how skilled drivers handle the wheel. Deliberate, steady, and precise. It's a small change that makes a big difference. Number 5, don't floor it when the light turns green. We've all seen it. The light turns green, and someone rockets off like they're drag racing. But here's what most new drivers don't realize. That single hard launch dumps massive stress on your transmission, engine mounts, and tires. You're also wasting fuel and risking slipping on wet roads. Instead, apply smooth, steady throttle and let the car naturally pick up speed. It's safer, smoother, and your engine will thank you. Remember, it's not how fast you start, it's how smartly you drive that matters most. Number 6, learn engine braking. Constantly using your brakes on long downhills overheats them and reduces lifespan. Professional drivers use something called engine braking, easing off the gas and letting the car's engine slow it down naturally. This reduces brake wear, gives you more control, and improves fuel efficiency. For automatics, shift down to a lower gear, like L or 2, when descending steep slopes. It's not just about saving your brakes, it's about driving smarter and safer, especially in hilly or mountainous areas. Number 7, keep a safe following distance. The classic 2-second rule isn't just a suggestion, it's your safety buffer. Maintaining distance gives you time to react if the car in front stops suddenly. In rain or fog, extend that to 3 to 4 seconds. Following too closely is one of the top causes of rear-end collisions. Remember, it's better to have a car length too many than one too few. That extra second of space could be the difference between a scare and an accident. Number 8, avoid riding in blind spots. Every vehicle has blind spots, especially trucks and SUVs. If you can't see the driver's face in their mirror, they can't see you. Staying in a blind spot increases the risk of being sideswiped or cut off. Always pass quickly and return to a visible lane position. For safety, spend as little time as possible beside another car's door. Smart drivers don't just stay out of harm's way, they stay visible. Number 9, don't ignore warning lights. That little check engine or ABS light might not seem urgent, but ignoring it could turn a $50 repair into a $1,000 one. Modern cars are designed to warn you early, and that's your chance to act before real damage happens. Invest in a simple OBD2 scanner to check codes yourself before panicking or paying a mechanic. You'd be surprised how many big issues are just minor sensor faults or loose caps. Being proactive keeps you safe and keeps your wallet full. Number 10, stay calm and focused, not fearful. New drivers often tense up behind the wheel, gripping the steering wheel too tight, overreacting, or second-guessing every move. The truth is, driving confidently comes from calm awareness, not fear. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and drive like you belong on the road. Because you do. Confidence helps you make better decisions, stay in your lane, and handle sudden situations without panic. Remember, every experienced driver was once a beginner too. And there you have it. 10 driving tips every new driver must know. These small habits make the difference between just driving and driving smart. Which of these tips surprised you most? Let me know in the comments below. If this helped you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Car Care Xpert, and share this video with every new driver you know. Because safe driving isn't just about following rules. It's about mastering the mindset of the road. Drive safe, drive smart, and I'll see you in the next video.